Welcome to our video, where we will explore the differences between walking on a treadmill and outdoors. Have you ever wondered which is more beneficial for your fitness routine? Today, we will dive into the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. Purpose of the video. The purpose of this video is to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of how walking on a treadmill compares to walking outdoors. By the end of this video, you can expect to learn about the numerous benefits and drawbacks of both forms of walking, as well as how they can impact your overall fitness goals. Importance of understanding the differences. The differences between walking on a treadmill and outdoors can significantly impact your workout routine's effectiveness. Each method offers unique advantages and challenges that can influence your fitness progress. You can tailor your walking routine to better suit your needs and goals by gaining insight into these differences. Relevance to your fitness routine. You may wonder why this comparison is relevant to your fitness routine. Well, the truth is that the environment in which you walk can significantly impact the intensity and effectiveness of your workout. Whether you prefer the convenience of a treadmill or the fresh air of the great outdoors, understanding how each option can benefit you will help you optimize your fitness routine for better results. So if you want to enhance your walking routine and maximize your fitness gains, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the treadmill versus the outdoor walking world. Let's lace up our shoes and explore the best walking option for you. Benefits of treadmill walking. Walking on a treadmill offers numerous advantages that can enhance your fitness routine in various ways. Let's explore some key benefits of incorporating treadmill walking into your workout regimen. Convenience regardless of weather conditions. One of the primary benefits of treadmill walking is its convenience, regardless of the weather conditions outside. You can always rely on your treadmill to provide a consistent and comfortable walking environment, whether pouring rain, scorching hot, or cold. This means no more excuses for skipping your workout due to inclement weather. Hop on your treadmill and start walking towards your fitness goals. Ability to control speed and incline for a customized workout. Another significant advantage of treadmill walking is controlling both speed and incline settings to tailor your workout to your specific fitness level and goals. With just a push of a button, you can increase or decrease the speed and incline to challenge yourself and vary the intensity of your workout. This customization allows you to target different muscle groups, increase calorie burn, and improve cardiovascular endurance, making treadmill walking a versatile and practical exercise option. Safer than outdoor walking in certain situations. Treadmill walking can also be safer than outdoor walking, especially in certain situations. Walking on a treadmill provides a controlled and secure environment to exercise without the risk of accidents or injuries for individuals who live in busy urban areas with heavy traffic or uneven terrain. Additionally, the cushioned surface of a treadmill can help reduce the impact on your joints, making it a safer option for those with joint pain or injuries. In conclusion, the benefits of treadmill walking, including convenience, customizable settings, and safety features, make it a valuable addition to any fitness routine. Whether you're looking to stay active, rain or shine, challenge yourself with varying inclines, or prioritize safety during your workouts, walking on a treadmill offers a versatile and effective way to achieve your fitness goals. Benefits of outdoor walking. Walking outdoors offers a plethora of benefits that go beyond physical exercise. Let's explore the numerous advantages of taking your walking routine outside and embracing the beauty of nature. Mental health benefits of being in nature. One of the most significant benefits of outdoor walking is its positive impact on your mental health. Spending time in nature has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression while boosting mood and overall well-being. The sights and sounds of the outdoors can help calm the mind, improve focus, and provide a sense of tranquility that is hard to replicate indoors. So lace up your shoes and step outside to experience the rejuvenating effects of nature on your mental health. Varying terrain for a more challenging workout. Outdoor walking offers a diverse range of terrains, from flat sidewalks to hilly trails, that provide a more challenging workout than walking on a flat treadmill surface. Walking on uneven terrain engages different muscle groups, improves balance and coordination, and increases the overall intensity of your workout. By incorporating hills, stairs, or trails into your outdoor walking routine, you can elevate your fitness level and enhance the effectiveness of your exercise regimen. Potential for increased vitamin D exposure. Another notable benefit of outdoor walking is increased exposure to vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is crucial in maintaining strong bones, supporting immune function, and regulating mood. By spending time outdoors and soaking up the sun's rays, you can naturally boost your vitamin D levels and reap the health benefits of this essential nutrient. In conclusion, Outdoor walking offers a holistic approach to fitness by improving physical health, enhancing mental well-being, providing challenging terrain for a varied workout, and promoting vitamin D exposure. So next time you lace up your shoes, consider taking your walk outdoors to enjoy the countless benefits of nature. Physical impact. Comparison: walking on a treadmill or outdoors has unique physical impacts on your body. Let's compare the differences in muscle engagement, calorie burn, and joint effects between treadmill and outdoor walking to help you make an informed choice for your fitness routine. Differences in muscle engagement. Treadmill and outdoor walking engage different muscle groups due to the varying surfaces and terrains. While treadmill walking provides a consistent and flat surface, outdoor walking involves navigating uneven terrain, inclines, and obstacles, which can activate a more comprehensive range of muscles, including stabilizing muscles in the core and lower body. Outdoor walking challenges your balance and coordination, leading to a more comprehensive muscle workout, compared to the relatively repetitive motion of treadmill walking. Calorie burn discrepancy. Outdoor walking may burn more calories than treadmill walking due to factors like wind resistance and terrain. When walking outdoors, you are exposed to elements such as wind, which can increase the energy expenditure required to maintain your pace. Additionally, walking uphill or on uneven surfaces outdoors demands more effort from your muscles, resulting in a higher calorie burn than walking on a flat treadmill surface. If you want to maximize calorie burn and challenge yourself physically, outdoor walking may be preferred. Potential joint impact differences. The impact on your joints can vary between treadmill and outdoor walking. Treadmills offer a cushioned surface that can reduce the stress on your joints, making it a gentler option for individuals with joint issues or injuries. On the other hand, outdoor walking on more complex surfaces like concrete or asphalt may exert more pressure on your joints, especially if you encounter uneven terrain or steep inclines. It's essential to consider your joint health and comfort when choosing between treadmills and outdoor walking to minimize the risk of injury. The physical impact of treadmill versus outdoor walking differs in muscle engagement, calorie burn potential, and joint effects. By understanding these differences, you can select the walking option that aligns best with your fitness goals and preferences. Mental health and motivation. Walking on a treadmill or outdoors has significant mental health and motivational benefits that enhance overall well-being. Let's explore how the environment, stress relief benefits, and natural surroundings influence your mental health and motivation while walking. Impact of environment on motivation. Your environment can profoundly impact your motivation levels. With its controlled setting and lack of external distractions, treadmill walking can provide a focused, structured workout experience that may appeal to individuals seeking consistency and convenience. On the other hand, outdoor walking offers a dynamic and ever-changing backdrop of nature, scenery, and fresh air, inspiring a sense of adventure and exploration and boosting motivation and engagement during your walk. Stress-relieving benefits. Both treadmill and outdoor walking have stress-relieving benefits that can help improve mental well-being. Engaging in physical activity such as walking releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Whether you walk on a treadmill in the comfort of your home or immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the outdoors, the rhythmic motion of walking can promote relaxation, clear your mind, and alleviate tension, leading to a calmer and more balanced state of mind. Role of fresh air and natural surroundings. The presence of fresh air and natural surroundings during outdoor walking can profoundly impact your mental well-being. Breathing in fresh air surrounded by greenery, trees, and natural landscapes can elevate your mood, reduce fatigue, and increase vitality and positivity. The connection to nature that outdoor walking provides can rejuvenate your spirit, enhance your mental clarity, and foster a sense of peace and tranquility that benefits your overall mental health. Both treadmill and outdoor walking offer unique mental health and motivation benefits that cater to different preferences and needs. Remember, the best walking option for you ultimately depends on your preferences, goals, and individual needs. On the other hand, outdoor walking provides mental health benefits, varying terrain for a challenging workout, and exposure to fresh air and natural surroundings that can rejuvenate your mind and body. Understanding the differences in muscle engagement, calorie burn potential, and a joint impact between the two types of walking can help you tailor your routine for optimal results. Incorporate both types of walking. While each form of walking has unique advantages, consider incorporating both treadmill and outdoor walking into your fitness routine for a well-rounded approach. If you want to elevate your fitness journey and explore more health and wellness content, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Your support and engagement help us create more valuable content. to empower you toward a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and learning. Whether you choose the comfort of a treadmill or the beauty of the great outdoors, remember that every step brings you closer to your fitness goals. Keep walking, stay active, and embrace the joy of movement. See you in the following video.